morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Ram Raju Vidyapith Standard 4. So students, today we'll start in Standard 4th. Subject Maths. Unit 2, Unit 3. Worksheet number 10. Worksheet number 10 students. And day 8. So students, today we'll start second one question. Solve the following. Solve the following. That will start students. So students, in that solve the following, first one sum is 360 divided by 32. So we have to start by here 360 डिवाइड बाई 32. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स हमें 32 का टेबल्स नहीं आता है, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर स्टार्टिंग नंबर इज़ 36. ओके, 36. सो 31, 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64. So 64 is a bigger number to 36. So we'll start 32 ones are 32. So 6 minus 2. 6 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 2. 1 and 2 we have to cut here. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to write here 4. 3 minus 3, 0. So students, we have to bringing down here 0. So our next division number is a 14. 32 ones are 32. 32 twos are 64. So 32 ones are 32. Now students, 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we have to cut 4, write here 3, cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 2. 10 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut 2. 1 and 2. Remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write here 8. And 3 minus 3, 0. So answer is equal to, quotient is equal to 11 and remainder is equal to 0.8. This one is our answer. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to write these sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay students, now we'll start question number 3. So that question is complete the following tables by dividing in your notebook. Complete the following table. So in that first one is done, so we'll start from the second one. Second one, in that second one question, divide number is equal to 377. Divisor is equal to divisor is equal to 19. We have to find quotient, then remainder, and division equivalent. So let's start students. We have to do the sum here. Second one, 377 divided by 19. So in that, students, we have to write the table of 19 here. we have to write here table of 90 first. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are, हमें नहीं आता, ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 9 twos are 18, we have to write here 8, 1 is a carry over, 9 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so here we have to write 3, 19 twos are 38. Now students, our division number is a 37, so 37, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, so 38 is a bigger number than 37, so here we have to write 19 ones are 19. Now 7 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to cut here 2, 3, write here 2, cut here 7, here we have to write 17. 17 minus 9, 17 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We have to cut 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So remain number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here we have to write 8. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now we have to bringing down here 7. We have to bringing down here 7. Now students, 9. We have to write the table of 19. 19 threes are 3 nines are 27. We have to write here 7. 2 is a carryover. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 19 fours are 4 nines are 36, write here 6, 3 is a carryover, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 7, so 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 9 fives are 40, write here 4, 9 fives are 45, write here 5, 4 is a carryover, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, we have to write here 95, 14, 19 6 are 6 nines are 54, write here 4, 5 is a carryover, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6 then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we have to write here 144, 140, 19 sevens are 63, write here 3, 6 is a carryover, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 6, 30, write here 30, so 133, 19 eights are 9 sevens, 8 nines are 72, write here 2, 7 is a carryover, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 7, 15, write here 152, 19 nines are 9 nines are 81, write here 1, 8 is a carryover, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 1, 71, 19 tens are 190. So students, 190 is a bigger number than the 187. So we'll take the 19 nines are 171. 19 nines are 171. So 7 minus 1, 6, 8 minus 7, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So quotient we have to write here, quotient is equal to 19, quotient is equal to 19 we have to write, then students, quotient is equal to 90, remainder is equal to 16 and equations is equal to 377 is equal to 19 multiplied by 19 plus 16. So students, first I'll show you this. I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to write this in your maths notebook. Then I'll show you the final answer. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show it to you final answer over here. So students, look at this. This is the final answer that you have to write in the blank. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start C1 question. So let's start that. So students, in that C1 question is divine number is equal to 529 divisor is equal to 29. We have to find quotient dash remainder dash and division equation. That we have to find here. Okay, so let's start the sum. So students, let's start the sum. We have to start over here. 529 divided by 29. Now students, our starting division number is 29. Which one is our division number? 52. So we have to write the table of 29. 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 29 का टेबल हमें नहीं आता है, so we have to do the multiply here. 9 twos are 80, write here 8, 1 is a carry over, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 5. So our 29 twos are 58. 58 is a bigger number than 52. So we have to take the 29 ones are 29. 29 ones are 29. Now 2 minus 9 is not possible. So cut 5, write here 4, cut 2, write here 12. 12 minus 9, 12 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining number is a 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write 3. 4 minus 2, 4 on your finger. Cut to 1 and 2. Remaining number is a 2, 1 and 2. So here we have to write 2. Now we have to bringing down here 9. So our next division number is a 239. Now we'll start the multiply with the 29. 29 3s are 3 9s are 27. Right here 2 7. 2 is a carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 6, then 7 8. Right here 8. So 87. 29 4s are 4 9s are 36. Right here 6. 3 is a carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 8, then 9 10 11. So 116. 29 5s are 5 9s are 45. Right here 5. 5 is a 5 9s are right here 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. Right here 14. So 29 5s are 145. 29 6s are 6 9s are 54. Right here 4. 5 is a carry over. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Right here 17. 29 6 7s are 63. Right here 3. 6 is a carry over. 7 4s are 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 14, then 15 16 17 18 19 20. Right here 20. 29 8s are 7 8 9s are 72. Write here 2. 7 is a carryover. 8 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2. 16 then 7 8 9. 16 then 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So write here 23. So 28 8s are 232. 28 9s are 9 9s are 81. Write here 1. 8 is a carryover. 9 2s are 80. 80 plus 8. 80 then 90 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. Write here 26. So students, 26, that means 261. So 261 is a bigger number than 239. So we'll take 29 8s are 232. So 29 8s are 232. 9 minus 2. 9 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Got 2. 1 and 2. So remaining number is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we have to write 7. 3 minus 3. 3 on your finger. Got 3. 1 2 and 3. Remaining number is a 0. So here we have to write 0. 2 minus 2. 0. So students, see, so 2 on your finger, cut to 1 and 2. Remaining number is a 0. So students, quotient is equal to 18 and remainder is equal to 7. So here we have to write quotient is equal to 80, remainder is equal to 0.7, and equation is equal to 529 is equal to 18 multiplied by 29 plus 7. This one is the answer. Now students, first you have to write this in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I'll give you 1 minute students. You have to complete your work. Write these sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your writing work is complete. Now I'll show you the final answer over here. This one is the final answer. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Students, now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 10. In that worksheet you have to complete the question number 3. That question number 3 you have to complete it and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.